Welcome to another episode of WellSense, your source for news, personal wellness tips, and media. This is Dane Shearer, and today we will be discussing eggs. Is it now okay to have your favorite omelet every day? And cholesterol. Can plenty of it be good for you? By now you may have already heard, the verdict is in. The Food and Nutrition Board of the USDA have declared dietary cholesterol does not correlate with increased heart risk. But to further this finding, a study conducted at the University of Eastern Finland presented in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed more than 1,000 healthy middle-aged men for over 20 years. 1/3 of subjects had a gene variant called the ApoE4, which is a risk marker for heart disease and a future predictor for Alzheimer's disease. The study's design included eating a total of 2,800 milligrams, or 2.8 grams, of cholesterol per week, which is roughly about 15 whole eggs. From the study, although 230 of the 1,000 subjects developed coronary artery disease, the researchers found no association between CVD, or cardiovascular disease, and total cholesterol, including egg consumption, in either carriers or non-carriers of the ApoE4 gene variant. So this is very exciting news for butter lovers, ovo-vegetarians, and old-school athletes everywhere. However, keep in mind dietary cholesterol, which is from the food you put in your mouth, and serum cholesterol, which are levels circulating in our body, are not the same thing. So let's break this down. Cholesterol, is it good for you? So by definition, cholesterol is a compound that is an important structural component of cell membranes and a major player in the creation of steroid hormones. These types of hormones include estrogen, testosterone, vitamin D, and a multitude of others. Dietary cholesterol is typically obtained from animal sources and is created by the liver. Cholesterol is carried in the blood by lipoproteins, such as LDL, also known as bad cholesterol, or HDL, also known as good cholesterol. Both of these come from the diet and can be manufactured in the liver. So what's good about cholesterol? Well, cholesterol is a type of lipid, which is a form of fat that is essential for health. Cholesterol can help create bile acids, which are responsible for absorbing dietary fat and fat-soluble vitamins. It also can create steroid hormones, which include sex and growth hormones, like we mentioned, testosterone and estrogen. Then you have cell membranes, which include the protective encasement surrounding every human cell. So what's bad about serum cholesterol? Well, low-density lipoprotein carries cholesterol from the liver to all cells of the body. For example, in atherosclerosis, which is a major cause of cardiovascular heart disease and heart failure, cholesterol accumulates in plaques on the walls of some arteries, hence being named the bad cholesterol, LDL. First, high blood pressure can rupture arteries due to intense pressure. So let's compare a house faucet, which is normal pressure, with a fire hose, which is high pressure, in other words, high blood pressure. So that can cause a rupture due to high pressure. LDLs can collect and deposit into the rupture, eventually hardening to constrict blood flow, leading to heart failure due to the oxidation, much like how bread stales over time if it's not contained, leading to the hardening of the vascular wall. On the other hand, high-density lipoprotein carries cholesterol back from the cells toward the liver for metabolism and disposal, hence deserving the title good cholesterol. So in conclusion, remember dietary cholesterol and serum cholesterol are not the same thing. Sources of nutrition that can improve cardiovascular status include essential fatty acids like omega-3s and omega-6s, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, bind to cells which influence lipoprotein levels in your blood. So fiber, it decreases serum cholesterol and has been shown to influence blood sugar and insulin positively. Foods that are excellent sources tend to have magnesium and potassium, which benefit heart health by reducing blood pressure. Vitamins such as niacin and pantothenic acid, or vitamins B3 and B5, have many benefits as well. So plant sterols, like phytosterols containing foods such as vegetable oils, grains, nuts, and legumes, do not allow for cholesterol to be absorbed, thus reducing serum levels. Wine, moderate intake may be beneficial due to possible increase in protein production within the liver, particularly HDLs, or the good cholesterol. Then there's garlic. It may stop enzymes involved in the creation of cholesterol, therefore reducing absorption. And then there's nuts. It may also lower LDL or the bad cholesterol. I sincerely hope you enjoy this installment of WellSense, your source for news, personal wellness tips, and media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below. And please leave a comment with any questions or topic you would like to see presented, as improving our channel is priority to edifying a health-conscious population. Until next time, this is Dane Shearer. Have a blessed week.